I'm super duper excited for this unboxing. So we are doing everything Toryburch. So if you want to see what's inside, stick around. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivy. If you're new here, welcome. So in this video I'll be doing everything Toryburch, so you can drop in the comment section which one of these pieces you really like. Also remember to like, comment and share. You can also subscribe to the channel, and we are going to get into the unboxing. Are we ready? So this is the first piece. All these pieces were bought in store at the Toryburch outlet, and this is the small Kira diamond quilted shoulder bag. So you can see the diamond, and it is so soft with the gold hardware. And this is in the shade, I think it's light stone. So the only downside to it, I didn't get one of these boxes. That's the only downside. But I did get a dust bag. So I have this dust bag where I can store it in. But apart from that, I wanted a box. So this is. So inside is well stuffed to keep the shape. So inside we have like two pockets, one right here and one over right here that has the zip. And it is pretty soft, and it is the magnet shut. I love that. Can also be worn as a crossbody. And guys, I am 5'2". It can also be worn as a shoulder bag. I really love it. The color is it's a very soft color. I love this. It's something different. Next item on the list. So this is the Everly slides. This is a black with gold hardware. I love me a good black sandals with Toryburch imprinted inside. Yeah, there's 2 stitches on both sides. So yeah, and my foot is pretty small. This is like a 6.5. Can you see it? Yeah, your foot is small. Yeah. So yeah, that is what, number 2. On to the next item. I wanted this bag for the longest while. So this is the small T monogram bucket bag, and this is in the color black. So this is also like a handheld type of situation, and it can also be worn as a crossbody. So it has straps inside. And it comes with a dust bag. I didn't get any of the boxes. I don't like that. And these are the straps inside of this little paper thing right here. Inside it, there is no pocket inside. You just need to just shove everything down in, and it has no feet. Toryburch, come on, get it together. I love it. It has all the imprints, the logo all over. There's a lot of paper. It's pretty long, man. Oh, it's adjustable. It's adjustable. So it has it's holes. You can adjust it. Because I'm pretty short. Pretty short. It's pretty. Look. It's pretty. Isn't it so beautiful? Oh my god. I love it. I love it, man. Let me make you see it properly. Let me. So remember, guys, this is in the small. You can get the bigger one, and I think they have the mini too. I'm not sure. I don't remember. So this is the small. Okay, so on to the next item. All right. So this is a flip flop. This is going to be one inside. I'll be wearing this inside. Yeah, inside to the beach, wherever. Like, it's pretty soft, and I want something that is pretty comfortable, so I'm gonna wear this inside. I love this. Okay guys, comment in the comment section which one of these pieces you like.